Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Jersey Club gun sound that's always used in almost every Jersey Club track. This question was brought by a Discord member and he was asking where can you find the sound, where to get it, and how to use it. Let me show you some examples of how the gun sound is used. Now, those are 4 examples. I'll list them in the description below. Now, for the actual sound, this is what it sounds like by itself. Like, first link it to the mixing board and add a delay to it. We can use Fruity Delay 2. We can put the time on 4 steps. Turn down the feedback. The feedback would be the input. Turn it down a little bit. And then now it sounds like this. And that's it. So I placed the loop from my upcoming loop kit and I'll play what it sounds like. Now with the gun sounds, it sounds like this. And that's basically it. That's how you use the gun loop. I'll have the gun sound in my Discord. So if you want to come download it, just join the Discord and it'll be there. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.